friends, Miss Donna from the Middlesex Early On team here. Do you know what a life cycle is? Every living creature, plant, animal, human, mammal, reptile, bird, has a life cycle. It means how they start out in this world and how they end in this world. So when people start out, we start out as little babies, and then we grow into toddlers and children and teenagers and adults. Some creatures start out as eggs. Some start out as larvae. Everything has a different life cycle. And today I'm going to show you the life cycle of a frog. How do you think frogs start out in the world? Let's find out. I made these rocks with different stages of a frog's life cycle on them, and let's see if we can put them in order. Which one do you think goes first? Do you think a frog starts as an adult frog? Do you think a frog starts as a little tadpole? Or do you think maybe a frog starts as eggs? You're right, a frog starts as eggs. And then when the eggs hatch, what do you think comes next? Next, when the eggs hatch, out comes a little baby tadpole. He looks kind of like a little fish. And then as that little tadpole grows, he grows some back legs. He's still got his tail, but he has back legs, but no front legs yet. And then as he grows a little bit more, he grows front legs. He's still got his tail and he still looks like a tadpole, but he's starting to look like a frog. And now as he's growing bigger, that tail starts to shrink a little bit. He's just got a little baby tail now and he's really starting to look like a frog. And then as he becomes an adult frog, his tail's all gone and he looks more like a frog like you would recognize. So there's the life cycle of a frog, from eggs to tadpole, growing back legs, growing front legs. Whoops, his tail's shrinking, and an adult frog. That's called a life cycle. Okay, let's sing 5 green and speckled frogs. Are you ready? Let's count the frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many frogs are there? 5. That's right. Are you ready to help me sing? Great. 5 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 4 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. 4 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 3 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. 3 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 2 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. 2 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there is 1 green speckled frog. Glub, glub. 1 green and speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. He jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are no green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. They're all in the pool of water, enjoying the water. See you soon.